This is a $80,000 prop firm account that you can start trading with, and I've gotten mine already, and I've updated my guys on Telegram, on my Telegram channel, that I'll be dropping the video very soon so that they can get ready. So this particular people will be one of the first people to get access to this particular bonus. Why? Because they are in my Telegram channel, so they will be the first to know when I drop videos. Okay, so if you want to be a part of them, all you have to do is to join my Telegram channel and be a part of this community. So how will you join the Telegram channel? The first thing to do is to what? Go to the description below, click on the link that you find there, and it will direct you straight to my Telegram channel. Okay, so join the channel so that you can be getting daily updates like this. And so you're just going to click on the link to this bonus and it will direct you to their website. Okay, so you're going to see something like this, maybe claim $500 here, or claim $100,000 here, or claim $80,000 here. So it will just direct you straight to their website. Okay, so I've noticed something, that 79% of you people that watch my video haven't subscribed yet. So if you know that you're enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses, please take a second to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more updates. Okay, and like this video, like this particular video, so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from this video. And also comment the country where you are watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Okay, so please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Okay, share, comment, so that's what you can get more updates. Okay, so let's go into the video. This is what the $80,000 site looks like. Okay, so it's a competition account, and if you're lucky to be among the first 10 winners, they're going to get rewarded for that. Yes, there is a reward. Okay, so you can see what the site looks like. This is it right here. So they have different accounts. Okay, so for you to claim it, you have to make a deposit. Okay, but we're not interested in that. Like you can see this 5K right here. You have to make a deposit before you can be able to claim the account. But that is not what we are going after. Okay, so this is what the site looks like. Okay, and you can see the frequently asked questions right here. So you can just go through it. Okay, so after that, we're just going to click on the free trial. So once you click on the free trial, you're going to be inputting your name, your surname, and your Gmail, and the country where you are from. Then you agree to the terms and conditions, then you click on it. Okay, so it's going to bring you right here where you have to confirm your email address. So you have to click on not a robot, then you click on confirm. As you can see, I am 50% registered. Okay, so I need to confirm my email. So I'm just going to head on to my email to confirm. Okay, so I'm right here. I'm just going to click on it. Then I'll click on this confirm button right here. Okay, so as you can see, my registration is 100% complete. So I'm going to be getting 2 emails. One is containing my login credentials and the other one is for my client zone. Okay, so you can see the message right here. So we're going to head back to my email. Yes, where I'll be receiving the 2 emails. As you can see them right here, I've gotten the 2 emails already. So I'm just going to click on it. So I've gotten in one of it, you get your email and your password. Okay, so for the second one, I'm going to get my account login ID and my password. Okay, you can see it right here. And for me to also have access to the platform from my mobile, I need to click here. You can see this click here button right here. So I'm just going to click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to take me to where I'm going to log in, where I'm going to be inputting my login details that I got. Okay, so I've done that already. So I'm just going to click on sign in. Yes, so once you click on sign in, it's going to bring this message right here. So they asked that would I like to install the application, so I said no. Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten the $80,000 prop firm account. You can see it right here. So you can see the start date, you can see the end date. Start date is 23rd of October, the end date is 22nd of November, and you can see the days to end, which is 31. You can see the initial balance, you can see the today's starting equity, you can see the profit target, you can see the maximum drawdown. So you can see all that you need to know about this prop firm bonus. Okay, so you can also trade right here in the site. Yes, you can trade right here in the site. There's no need for MetaTrader 4. I'm not making use of MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You're going to trade right here in the site. Okay, and you can also place a trade on it. Yes, I'm going to be showing you. You can place a trade on it. So we have different currency pairs right here. You can make use of any one of your choice. Okay, so it's loading. So you can choose to sell or you can choose to buy. It's your choice. Okay, so this is it right here. So you can place a trade on it. Okay, so just if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section, and also comment where you are watching this video from. Comment the country where you are watching this video from. Okay, thank you.